Hello everyone. Today our topic is directions. In the today's session we will learn about what is direction, what are the direction words and how we know the different directions. Okay, so let's get started. In the first picture, what you are seeing? Here the two hands are showing the different directions. Right? See the first picture. It shows the right direction and the second one showing the left direction. Okay. So the words left and right tell us to which way we will go. If we extend our left hand, it shows the side to our left, and if we extend our right hand, it shows the side to our right. Clear? So, the left and right directions are the direction words. We need direction to find our way. And there are some more other direction words also. Besides of left and right, there are 4 other words. Let's see the words. So what is direction? To move from one place to another without getting lost, we need direction. Okay, to move from one place to another without getting lost, we need direction. And what are the direction words? These are north, south, east and west. Repeat after me. North, south, east and west. These are the direction words. So if you see this picture, here you are seeing the different directions facing toward each other. The north direction is on the upward side, south is on the downward, east on the right side and west on the left side. Now, can you tell me how we know the directions, that on which direction we are standing, we are facing to which direction? Now see the next picture. See this picture, it shows the sunrise and sunset. Yes, if you see the first circle, it shows the sunrise, and on the right side it shows the sunset. So if we stand facing the sun early in the morning, in front of you it is the east direction. In front of you it will be the east direction, and behind your back it will be the west direction. To your right is the south and to your left is the north direction. Okay, in the morning when you stand facing the sun, you will see the east direction. So what we know from this, that the sun rises in the east direction and sunset in the west direction. And to our right there will be a south direction, and to our left it will be our north direction. Same happens in the evening. When we see the sun will be in the west side. Why? Because the sun set in the west direction. So north, east, west and south, these all are the directions. See the another picture. Here a boy is standing facing the sun. In his right direction there will be a east, and on the left there is a west direction. So what shows this picture? That the sun rises in the east direction and sunset in the west direction. I hope you all are clear now with the different names of the direction words. These are north, south, east, west. Yes, and there are some other direction words that is left and right. Thank you.